The awarding of our winners and the coronation of our Queen of Phoenix 2020. We will now award our fourth.
Awarded by Ikaw, Elijah, Miss Sophie.
Okay. Barangay San Antonio, sino sa tingin ninyo ang ating fourth runner-up for this year? Sino? Okay, wag na nating patagalin pa. Congratulations because you are the fourth runner-up tonight. Our fourth runner-up goes to candidate number... Candidate number 9, Miss Rian Ramos. Once again, a round of applause please for our fourth candidate number 9, Rian Ramos.
Let's call our third runner-up.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Barangay San Antonio, sino sa inyo ang tatanghaling third runner-up? Congratulations, our third runner-up is none other candidate number... Congratulations, candidate number 5, to be awarded by John Ray.
5,000 pesos in cash, a sash, a luxury bag, and a crown. To be awarded by Miss Marian Singh.
Alright. Barangay San Antonio, sino sa tingin nyo ang ating second runner-up? Anong number? Alright, huwag na natin patagalin pa. Congratulations because you are the second runner-up for tonight. Candidate number... Candidate number 1, Karen Montecilio. Congratulations. Now may we request the two remaining candidates to please take center stage as we are about to crown the next Queen of Phoenix 2024.
At ang ating susunod na tatawagin ay siya ang nagiging Queen of Phoenix 2024. Muli, ang aming tatawagin ay siyang hihiramin bilang Queen of Phoenix 2024.
Alright, so ang ating Queen of Phoenix 2024 ay makakatanggap ng 15,000 pesos in cash, sash, crown, and of course, a luxury bag.
And bukayog na yun.
Yeah.
Our Miss Queen of Phoenix 2024 to be awarded by our judge, Oscar J.R. Sanko, Manager Reyes, our Queen of Phoenix 2024 is no other than candidate number Mr. Pat! Congratulations! Candidate ba yan? Maraming salamat po for having you here. Sa lahat ng mga kandidatong sumali ngayong gabi, we are so much grateful talaga na masilayan kayo sa aming interview.
Okay.
Nakakatawa. Char.
Lang. Nagalit.
Mainit ulo.
High blood.
Pinutok na lang talaga rin.
Yan.
Our Queen of Phoenix 2024 goes to candidate number...
Congratulations, candidate number 6! Yes!
Victoria.
And our first runner-up is none other than
Candidate number 7, Matt Santito.
Alright.
Our Queen of Phoenix is candidate number 6.
Yes, Victoria. Alright, so maybe award first the first runner-up. Yung first runner-up po muna.
Congratulations!
Yan, I love it, Soria. Picture muna, picture. Lahat. Okay.
Nak, may LB ka na. Nak, may LB ka na.
Sige po, pagtabi-tabihin po muna natin yung candidates. Pagtabi-tabihin po natin yung winners.
Joshua, nasa ka na.
Alright. Sige po, pagtabi-tabihin po muna natin ang ating